I hit this issue to date and here is the quick fix that solved it. If your Discord profile has been hacked, don't worry, here is how you can recover it step by step. Step 1. Check your email. Look for any emails from Discord regarding unauthorized access or password changes. If you find one, follow the instructions in that email to secure your account. Step 2. Reset your password. Go to the Discord login page and click on Forgot Your Password. Enter your email to receive a password reset link. Make sure to create a strong, unique password. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Once you regain access, go to User Settings by Account and enable two-factor authentication to FA for added security. This will require a code from your phone each time you log in. Step 4. Review account activity. Check your account activity for any unauthorized changes or messages. Go to User Settings, Privacy and Safety to review your recent activity and adjust settings as needed. Step 5. Report the hack. If you notice any suspicious behavior or if your account is still compromised, report it to Discord support. Provide as much detail as possible to help them assist you. I hope this guide helps you recover your Discord profile smoothly. Stay safe online.